Good day. I'm going to keep myself out of this one. About a week late on shaving. Going to save the mountain man look for people in person. I'd like to share the bamboo shoots. These were not here last week. What is very interesting about the bamboo is it comes out of the ground like a spear. The diameter that it intends to grow right from the beginning. It does not swell like a tree. A 4-inch diameter bamboo pole emerges from the ground like a road cone. There's one here. That'll be a small one. Here's some medium ones. All bamboos reach their maximum height in 6 to 8 weeks. Which means if it's a 4-inch, 6-inch diameter pole that's going to reach 120 feet, it has to grow very fast to finish in 6 to 8 weeks. They can grow 14 inches in 24 hours. Today's Wednesday. This will be a little thinner. It does shed like a corn husk. The pole is inside it, and you'll start to see the pole as it extends. It untelescopes. There's the ducks. The baby's taking a nap. It gives me an opportunity to come back here. There's another one. I'm going to peel a little bit of this husk back here. There's your bamboo pole. Telescoping. It's going to be about 5-inch diameter pole. It's about 22 inches. And we'll check it every few days until it matures into a pole. Might as well take a walk back here under the pine tree. Need a new bridge. This is not stroller convenient. I'd like to point out here, this is a girdled tree root. It has come from that side, probably from high water in the past. The root has come around this half of the tree like you see. I've taken the chainsaw about 2 months ago and cut it, and it's separating quite rapidly. This will kill the tree if you do not cut it. Kind of hate to see the pool. It's about 80 today. It's probably only about 75 right now. Watch out for that hole. I planted this palm tree as a young man. It's taken 10 years for this palm tree to grow from this size to this size. It'll only take 100 more to be a tall palm. These were moved here this size. I moved them one a day. That was a pretty big job. That's about it. Good day.